The topic of lift mechanics. In lift mechanics, how you will uh, calculate the weight of a person standing on a weighing machine. So, if a person is standing on a weighing machine in a lift or he is moving through a elevator, what will be its apparent weight? Because whenever you will go through the lift in the upward direction, it appears that the body becomes heavier, and when the lift is moving down it appears that the body is lighter. So this is the apparent weight condition. So what will happen during this motion that we are going to consider in this topic? So apparent weight of a man in a lift. So here I have taken the four condition. Suppose a man is standing in a lift on a weighing machine, but the lift is at rest. So there are two forces acting, that is mg, weight of the person acting vertically downward, and the reaction on the person through the weighing machine in the upward direction, that is r. Second condition, when the lift is moving up and down with the constant velocity. So if the lift is moving with the constant velocity, so when the velocity is constant, acceleration becomes 0. So in this condition, acceleration will be 0. So if there is no acceleration, then lift is not moving up, or if lift is not moving with constant velocity, it is moving, but the acceleration is 0, and the net force on a person is equal to 0. Though the lift is moving up and down, but the net force on the person is equal to 0 on the weighing machine. Third case, when the lift is moving up with the constant acceleration. So if the lift is moving in the upward direction with the acceleration a, and if the lift is moving in the downward direction with the acceleration a, same acceleration. So here in this case the formula of the net force will be different as compared to this case. So here I have taken the reaction R1 acting in the upward direction, which is the which measure the apparent weight of a person standing on the weighing machine, because this is the reaction acting by the floor on the weighing machine. So that is the reading which we will get as a person's apparent weight. So here we have taken mass of the man standing on the weighing machine, that is m, mg actual weight of the person acting vertically downward, r is the reaction given by the reading of weighing machine. तो ये जो r है, ये वेइंग मशीन की जो रीडिंग होगी वो होगी, क्योंकि पर्सन तो उस वेइंग मशीन पे खड़ा है, तो रिएक्शन जो लग रहा है वो वेइंग मशीन के थ्रू पर्सन पे लग रहा है, तो जो वेइंग मशीन की रीडिंग आएगी वो r होगी, रिएक्शन. नाउ दिस रिएक्शन exerted by the surface of contact on the person is the apparent weight of the person. So these all r gives you the apparent weight of the person.